Witness every memorable moment. With Kylietech binoculars, you can experience every breathtaking moments that you don't want to miss. It is fully multi-coated and has 21mm large eyepieces that produce stunning images. Its high-power magnification gives a great focus on objects and provides a clearer and wider range of view. Whether you're in motion or not, just when you need to see what's far off from where you are, Kylietech binoculars will do the trick. It is waterproof, fog-proof, and shockproof. And it is designed to fit your budget and meet your needs. So, whatever and wherever nature's view that you find amusing, go for it. It also has a smartphone adapter that you can easily connect your phone with to capture images in the distant and tiny world. Experience stunning images and get closer to the experience as it's happening with Kylietech binoculars.
POLDR binoculars provide beautifully crisp and clean magnification in a compact, easy-to-use unit. The 8x21 configuration offers 8 times magnification through a 21mm objective lens with a wide field of view. With these binoculars, you'll be able to see amazing detail at great distances with no distortion or fringing near the edges of the image. The clarity is excellent throughout the entire field of view. Our binoculars are easily adjustable for both adults and children, and our focusing system means that you can dial in a crystal clear image without the need for your prescription glasses. Simply adjust the focusing wheel and bring the image into focus, and then use the additional adjustment on the right eyepiece for fine-tuning. It's that simple. POLDR binoculars come with a convenient protective carrying case, a neck strap, instructions, and a lens cleaning cloth. These binoculars are durable with a heavy-duty rubberized coating, making them ideal for any situation. They're great for nature, camping, sightseeing, bird watching, concerts, boating, sports, hunting, and so much more. The compact, lightweight size makes them ideal to carry anywhere. If you're looking for binoculars, look no further than this set from POLDR.
Be ready for your next outdoor adventure with Outland X binoculars from Celestron. These easy-to-use binoculars are great for beginners. Twist-up eye cups ensure correct positioning of the eye with or without glasses, while an ergonomic housing makes Outland X easy to grip even with gloves on. A large, smooth focus wheel helps you bring subjects into view quickly. Inside, Outland X binoculars offer advanced features like fully multi-coated optics and BAK4 prisms for increased light transmission and brighter images. The compact 8x25 and 10x25 models are perfect for stashing in a pocket or your car's glove compartment. The full-size 8x42 and 10x42 models, available in both black and green, gather more light for brighter views and detailed observation of birds, wildlife, concerts, sporting events, and more. All Outland X binoculars are waterproof and fog-proof, so you can use them confidently in any weather condition. Each model includes a neck strap, semi-attached lens caps, and a carrying case. From birding and hiking to sports and travel, Nature DX binoculars are your perfect outdoor companion. Ranging in size from a compact 8x25 to a large 12x56, there's a Nature DX to fit any outdoor activity. The Cornell Lab of Ornithology selected Nature DX 8x42 as its top choice in binoculars under $200. providing high-end features at a value price. Nature DX sports fully multi-coated optics and phase-coated BAK4 prisms for brighter images with increased contrast and resolution. Select models offer a close focus as little as 6.5 feet, perfect for up-close observing. Nature DX features a rugged rubber armored body, and it's waterproof and nitrogen purged for use in any weather condition. Every Nature DX binocular includes a neck strap and carrying case.
What's going on, everyone? Doug here, and these are the 3D series binoculars by Carson Optical. These binoculars are amazing. They're made with dielectric prism coatings and an extra low dispersion or ED glass. Most binoculars lose light during transmission through their prisms. Our prisms are phase corrected and have dielectric coatings. This actually increases light transmission and allows a clearer, brighter image. At Carson, we understand ED glass. We actually patented a test for chromatic aberration, which shows how most binoculars have color fringing. Some companies will actually cheat and place the ED glass in the small lens of the binocular, which makes it ineffective. Our ED glass is placed on the objective lens, which practically eliminates color fringing. Another great feature is its twist-down eye cups for eyeglass wearers. It's also waterproof and has a shockproof rubber armor coating. On top of that, it also has thumb grooves for a super comfortable grip. The 3D ED series comes in a variety of sizes and colors, so whether you're a bird watcher, hunter, or just using these on a sightseeing trip, they're perfect for anywhere you go. They also come with lens covers and a case to keep them protected and safe. So if you're looking for a high-quality binocular with exceptional image quality, look no further than a 3D ED series. I'm Doug from Carson. Thanks again for watching.
The Wingspan Optics Skyview Ultra HD 8x42 binoculars come with everything a birdwatcher needs in order to capture those breathtaking and memorable views that make bird watching so much fun. They come with 8x42 magnification, which is the ideal magnification to get the most steady, clear, and bright bird watching views. A wide field of view means that you can easily find birds in trees and even capture birds as they fly by. They also have a phase correction coating, which is a special coating added to the prism inside the binoculars to keep the colors as clear and bright as the picture you're seeing. Lighter weight for birding on the go, so that means no more carrying around heavy, bulky binoculars around your neck and no more neck strain. They're waterproof, they're fog-proof, so you can use them in any weather at any time. And they've even been upgraded with ED glass, which means that you can see images that are clear and sharp all the time. And all I can say after using them for a few days is wow. Anyway, the best part is they come with a lifetime warranty, so you can feel safe knowing that your Skyviews, if they ever get damaged, Wingspan Optics will replace them for any reason. So, if you're interested in having the ultimate bird watching experience, then the Wingspan Optics Skyview Ultra HD binoculars are your ticket to getting there. Try yours today.